I'd like to introduce myself. You'll know me as the Collector, but I've been playing War Dragons for about 6 months now, and I'm at evolving levels, going up 2 or 3 levels or so on a constant basis. Currently I'm at 83, about to hit 84. Woohoo! Because we all know what happens at 84. I can go ahead and level up all 5 of my divine dragons. So that's exciting. But a few years ago, I ended up undergoing some serious health problems. Chronic illness has struck me multiple times over the last few years. 3 times, nearly losing my life, 1 time on life support. Neurological disorders, among other things, that have rendered my hands at times useless. So my art had to change. It had to change from something I drew to something that I rendered. It's easier for me to hold a mouse than it is for me to hold a pen or a pencil or a paintbrush or an airbrush, which is what I used to do. So through my rehabilitation or my sicknesses, which I'm still struggling with, my art is my catharsis. You will see in the pictures that you've already seen on the screen, and you're going to see more, that what I do is sometimes a telltale of my moods. Art is a way of seeing inside somebody, and it's a way of telling a story with 1,000 words when you don't have to write it. I do have a website. You'll see it flash up on the screen. And that website tells you my story as well as my portfolio. I am an author. I've written fiction and nonfiction. My fiction is currently a trilogy I'm working on. First book is out, second book is about to be released, third book I'm writing right now. It's science fiction, by the way, and quite fun. And I will be going into the fantasy realm in my next set of books. But I hope what I'm about to teach you gives you your catharsis, your release, your path in vivid detail. Art is very personal, and it's scary to share what's in yourself to other people, especially when they can criticize it. But at the same time, for those few people that are out there, and I'm hoping you're one of them, that you find pleasure in it, and that you can give it back to other people. So, I hope to see you in the game. Again, I'm Charger RT 1969. Yes, I've owned 2 of those cars, and I'm looking for number 3. Yeah, it is my favorite car of all time. And I hope in the next lesson where I'm going to show you what software to download, and then I will show you how to use that software, how to manage it, and how to create your own vision on the computer screen in 3-dimensional detail that you can even animate. You can turn and change it with one image. You can create countless pictures. So I want to thank you for choosing this course. Again, I'm the Collector, and my in-game name is Charger RT 1969. I look forward to playing with you. Enjoy the course.